Hi, I'm Lee and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we give you tips and tricks regarding the software that helps you get to where you need to be. Today we're going to jump into Avontus Quantify. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of adding equipment into your branch office using the import feature. Let's get started. Right, to add in more quantities into my branch office, I'm going to do it into my Doncaster branch again. This time I'm going to import my products into my available stock. Okay, this can be done very simply by locking down my Quantify. Please note that when locking down your Quantify, anyone logging in and trying to enter data, the data will not be saved. You'll not be able to enter any data in until you've unlocked it. Okay, so I'm going to lock this down now. Then I'm going to go highlight my branch, and then I'm going to go into adjust quantities at selected location into here. Now I'm going to import. Okay, but the first thing you need to do is go to here and show all parts available that's within my product catalog, because if I don't, and I just have this what's here, when I go to import, select the file which needs to be saved as a txt file. I'll choose this, open this, add to available column. I'm going to add to existing quantities. Okay, if I want to override, if I'm wanting to do a full branch stock, you know, if I'm doing quantities at Christmas and I've done a full yard check and I need to update my quantities, I'll do it this way by overriding. But for this one, I'm going to add to existing quantities. Click that import, and then I'll get this error message. Okay, when I click OK, to see your error messages, click here, and this is all the information what can't be added in. And this reason being is that the quantities that are shown are only these available to update. Okay, so because I'm adding more parts in, I need to click on all. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to go through the same process again. Choose the file, which is my txt, and then I want it in my available column. This is for my rented equipment that I'm going to be renting out. I'm going to add to existing quantities, so any quantities that I have already, whatever I'm importing in will add to this quantity, so I'm not losing my quantities I've already got. Click on there, importing, and there you go, all the information has been added. Click OK, click close, and there you go, all my quantities created with my txt file has been added into this branch now. And then before I can click save, I need to add in my comment again for my stock adjustment. So I've just added in imported equipment for Doncaster branch authorized by myself. Click OK, and there you go, it's added all my products in, now available to be shipped out, to be used on any site that I have available. Now I need to go back into tools and I need to unlock my Quantify, and there you go. I hope this helps. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe to more to come.